Kaolin is a common and very important clay mineral in nature. It is formed by weathering of feldspar or other silicate minerals in igneous and metamorphic rocks, in acidic media, lacking alkali metals, and alkaline earth metals. The correct operation, mode and process of kaolin ball press is very important. For example, if the kaolin ball press is put into production before starting, it will be in a high load state during the starting process, which not only consumes electricity, but also is very bad for the equipment. Or, according to the correct operation, mode can also achieve the purpose of saving energy. The motor of kaolin ball press is the key to how much electricity is used. After buying a ball press, it is determined that energy saving should be paid attention to in the matching of the motor. Therefore, in the purchase of motor, not only to match the equipment, but also to reduce power consumption, to improve the efficiency of kaolin ball press machine itself.